Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to mark a channel as read on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've recently updated your WhatsApp desktop app and noticed the new channel section, this quick tutorial will help you stay organized and manage your updates more easily. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. Once the app opens, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several icons. One of them looks like a small megaphone. That's the channel icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken to your list of channels. This is where you'll see updates from all the channels you follow. Scroll through the list until you find the channel you want to mark as read. If the channel has new updates, it'll show a small blue dot or bold text next to its name. Next, right-click on that channel. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that list, select Mark as Read. And that's it, the blue dot will disappear, and the channel will now appear as read. This new feature makes it much easier to manage your channels, especially if you follow several at once. You can now quickly clear notifications without opening every single update, keeping your WhatsApp workspace tidy and focused. If you accidentally marked a channel as read and want to check what's new, just click on the channel again. You'll still be able to see all the latest posts and updates inside it. That's all you need to do to mark any channel as read on the WhatsApp app for PC. It's quick, simple, and part of the latest update designed to make communication more organized. Thanks for watching.